For the past 1 year, we are all struggling with the pandemic whose future is not known to anyone. But the only thing we can do right now is try to fight this pandemic, and the Indian government has not given up even an iota of effort in their service to nation. The central government has not only fulfilled its duty towards the countrymen, but has also done a great job of humanity for the entire world looking at India. In another thoughtful yet significant decision, central government has allowed transition time of 6 months for ensuring continued access of 8 regulated medical devices. This step has reflected government's proactive and sensitive approach to address the needs of the Indian industry. These 8 medical devices include all implantable medical devices, CT scanning equipment, MRI equipment, defibrillators, PET equipment, dialysis machine, X-ray machine, and bone marrow cell operator. To ensure the supply chain continuity of these medical equipments, their importers and manufacturers are allowed a transition time of 6 months to register under the new regulatory regime. For implementing smooth transition into the new regulatory regime, Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has decided that in case an existing importer or manufacturer has submitted an application to Central Licensing Authority or State Licensing Authority for grant of import or manufacturing license in respect of such devices under the provisions of MDR 2017, their application shall be deemed valid. The ministry also mentioned that the importer and manufacturer can continue to import or manufacture these devices up to 6 months from the issue of order or till the time the Central Licensing Authority or State Licensing Authority takes a decision on the application. The order has been issued by the Drugs Controller General of India on 18th April 2021. The central government is taking all the possible measures to combat the corona crisis. This fight against pandemic cannot be fought alone, but we can surely overcome this crisis with an active role of our pharma sector. Therefore, PM Modi has appreciated the way the pharma industry is working even in such trying conditions. Despite all the hurdles, essential medicines were made available to more than 150 countries around the world. Last year, Indian pharma industry also registered a growth of 18% in exports. To take the lead in combating the virus, the central government is ensuring more and more research on threats which can occur in the future along with COVID-19. The central government has always focused on creating additional awareness in promoting a healthy lifestyle through holistic measures that prioritizes the citizens. A nation that invests in its citizens is a nation worth celebrating. We will be back with more information. Thanks for watching.